Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing Deadlock's tools and positioning. Pick her before buy phase so you have full ability economy. Immediately buy ability rounds and line up to a primary choke. This gives you control the moment the round begins. Communicate one short call to teammates. Wall on B main in 10, or hold long, I'll lock. Once set, place her ability where enemies funnel. This denies space and forces predictable movement, making your next actions far easier. Once enemies advance, deploy Deadlock's wall to cut off vision and separate fights. Do this quickly but deliberately so it lands between them and your angle. Follow with a pulse to expose any players hiding behind cover. You want information before peak fights. If they use utility to clear, switch wall locations to punish resource waste and isolate a single opponent. This creates 1v1 scenarios you can win. Remember to reposition slightly after each lock. Safety and surprise matter. To finish, keep the final wall or pulse ready for the site retake or last man engagement. Use it to funnel opponents into your crosshair. When trades happen, hold tight angles and let utility clear for you. This conserves your advantage. If the wall doesn't stop pushes or is utility cleared, don't panic. Fall back to a new angle, conserve ability, and bait them into using more tools. Then reapply Deadlock's control. Make one decisive play when they repush and secure the round.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.